Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of the biggest selling cocktails at the 18th Amendment Bar here in Geelong, inspired by one of my favourite TV shows, The Boardwalk Empire. Okay guys, so this is a cocktail that I created for the 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong, and it's kind of weird because it's sort of like a twist on a Cameron's Kick. Although at the time, I didn't even know what a Cameron's Kick was. Created the cocktail, sells really, really well. And one day, one of the fellow bartenders from another venue said, it's just like a Cameron's Kick with just a little tweak. And I looked up and said, oh shit, it kind of is. So I'm really disappointed that I created something that's already been created. I wonder how often that happens for you guys as well. If it has, give us a bit of a comment below, because surely I'm not the only one with all these classic cocktails nowadays that we're sort of reduplicating. Really simple to make too. It's got a little bit of theatre for it. And the first ingredient is 60 mils of a Scotch whiskey. I'm going to use, it's the Krabby's Yardhead. It is our latest house pour here at the 18th Amendment Bar. It's a single malt whiskey. And I think I've got to do 2 shots, don't I? There you go, I'm too busy talking away. Really love this Scotch whiskey. Next ingredient I have is 15 mils of fresh lemon juice. Then I have 15 mils of Falernum. You can make your own. I'm a little bit lazy. I use the Monin because I don't have that much time on my hands. And it's really good. Next up we're going to do is 30 mils, oh my God, I should even remember this, of apple juice. I use the cloudy apple juice. If you've got something to press your apple juice, even better. Couple dashes of a Creole bitters. Make it 4, not a couple. Add some ice. And give it a really good shake. Okay, so I'm going to serve this up in a rocks glass. No need to double strain this one. Just a touch more ice there. And for my garnish, I like using Dehydrated lemon wheel. All right, so I had to add a little bit of theatre because that's what our customers like, so that they can put it on their Instagram and give us free advertising. What I did for this one is we smoke it in a little treasure chest. We came across some old bourbon barrel staves, which we have chipped up. We're going to smoke the box. The key to it is don't over smoke it. Oh, it smells so good too. We then present it to the customer at the table. You could do this for your friends as well at a dinner party. They get their cameras ready, open up their box, and that's the Boardwalk Empire. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'm obviously going to be biased because this is one of my cocktails. Yeah, really, really easy to drink. It's another one of those cocktails that has 60 mils or 2 ounces of Scotch whiskey in there, and you can't even really taste it. I do enjoy drinking a lot of my spirits neat. However, I find for customers and friends that aren't used to it, it's nice to add some other flavours to make it a little bit more palatable for them until they're able to drink it neat. Not overly sweet, but a little bit on the sweeter touch. However, that lemon juice does balance it out really well. Just the Falernum there. The cloudy apple juice gives a little bit of an extra sort of ting as well. I find the lemon juice brightens up the apple juice as well. Really, really tasty. Instead of, say, for example, in a penicillin cocktail where they add a little bit of a Lafroig or an Ardbeg on top, we sort of get that similar flavor from the smoke. Okay, but as I mentioned before, make sure that you don't over smoke it. I have been guilty of it, especially in a competition, and it cost me winning because I did use too much smoke, because we want it to look really cool, right, with all this smoke for people to come out. So just be a little bit wary with that. As far as these boxes, guys, eBay, it cost me like $20. You can pick up a smoke gun pretty much anywhere online nowadays. The garnishes, dehydrate, you can do it in an oven or a dehydrator. So it's simple for everyone to make at home, as well as in the venues. I would definitely chuck something like this on the menu. Don't forget where you heard about it. So please subscribe, hit that bell. We've got plenty more videos coming up. And for all of you guys that have already subscribed, thank you so much. The channel is growing. I'm very, very happy about that. It's given me something to do during this COVID-19, but I want to keep doing it once we're out of isolation and everything. So thanks so much, guys. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.